Hi, sir. Good afternoon
Good
again,
afternoon.
everyone. And thank you for that question once more. Um, I'm going to share this very situation to you. When I first joined my first ever pageant, after the pageant, someone told me that why did I join the pageant when I shared this story earlier that I was called a man. I was called not beautiful enough to join a beauty pageant. And that situation became my very inspiration why I keep joining beauty pageants. I want to show everyone that the beauty or being called beautiful takes courage. And for me to stand up here and to be a candidate of Miss Universe Philippines Summer Island is such a big achievement. Not just for me, but for everyone, for every candidates that are right here. And for everyone, for every little girl who is watching right now that thinks that they are not beautiful enough. And I think this is the very purpose of why I want to represent my municipality. Because Borongan, as our previous tagline, Baysay Borongan. As Borongan is a home for magbaysay. Not just magbaysay for aesthetically or in appearance, but magbaysay with heart and with purpose to serve other people and to show everyone that we are kind and we are all beautiful. Thank you.